Ever wanted to smoothly blend an image into your design, creating stunning effects that capture attention? Today, we're diving into how to fade pictures using Adobe Illustrator. First, have your image already imported and placed onto your Illustrator artboard. Next, select the image by clicking on it. Now, we're going to create an overlapping shape onto the areas of the image that you want to fade. Make sure the shape covers the part of the image where you desire the fade effect. With your new shape still selected, go to the Window menu and select Transparency. This will open the Transparency panel. In the Transparency panel, click on the box that says Make Opacity Mask. Notice, the image and shape still appear visible, but the mask is now activated. Right now, your shape most likely made the image disappear. Don't worry. Click on the thumbnail box to the right of Opacity within the Transparency panel, and this is where you create the fade. To create the fade, go to Window and then select Gradients so you can edit the shape's fill. In the Gradient panel, select the black and white gradient. Adjust the positioning of the colors within the gradient. Notice how the image fades where the white is and remains visible where the black is. Use the gradient sliders to adjust the fade smoothness. Dragging the white slider closer to the black slider makes the fade quick, and moving it away will give a gradual fade. That's it, you've successfully created a smooth fade.